The slap shot missed the net. Can Kessel keep it in? He does. Kessel on the near boards, hit by Kopitar. And now we get a whistle. Carter and Malkin get at it.
Malkin's going at it again. Jump in, boys. Get in there. Doughty's going after. Wisconsin's going to grab guys. Kopitar, Kessel's got to grab guys, and it can't be two Penguins on one. The Penguins are on the power play. They shouldn't be outnumbered in this situation at all. And their stars should be protected, Malkin and Crosby.
Fleury's all the way out at the blue line right now with Quick.
He's asking
skating
him.
up. Yep.
Fleury wants to score a goal and get in a fight. He's got one glove off, and he doesn't care.
How's that for playoff desperation?
Well, we've seen this from Malkin, have we not, Stegen? We saw it against Zetterberg in a Stanley Cup final. We saw it this year as he dropped the gloves, and we see it again right here in the high slot area. There's the slash to the back of the knee by Carter, and Malkin is down on the ice, right in the back of the knee. And Malkin knows exactly who it is. He confronts Carter, and he goes right at him. And there's Carter with a stick in there again. Bang, 1-2.